There's no gates.
You're very welcome. Thank you so much.
Yeah. But, and now I had about that much room, so I was like, Phoenix looks like it has more room.
Yeah.
Oh, really old. It reminds me of a giant dipper at Belmont.
Oh, yeah.
San Diego.
That one's gotten a little bit better now.
Yeah. Really smooth and then really rough on the other side.
Yeah.
Really funny.
Still better than Motor Dash.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is a weird drop.
There you go.
Whoa!
That's a good ending. Dark tunnel with the dip. That was good.
That's crazy.
Oh wow, manual brakes also.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh yeah,
hand brakes.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Wow.
That was nice.
Good.
Wow.
Really good.
That's good.
the front you get airtime.
A lot. The last hill.
You gotta ride in row 2. Row 2 has the best air.
Oh really? Row 2. Okay. Oh, that way.
Really? I like that. Funny cut, you know.
Oh yeah, I'll take a sticker. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
We're 48 inches finally.
Took a long time.